Welcome to Bahamian Mathematics. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share to see more videos like this one. In today's video, we will learn the names of the different types of polygons. And this will involve counting the sides in order to name the shape. On the screen, you see a few names of some polygons that you may be familiar with. Let's take a look. The word polygon actually is made up of two words, poly, which means many, and gon, which means sides. Polygon means many sides. And so the definition of a polygon is a flat shape with three or more sides. Polygons start with three sides. Here are some of the polygons that you may be familiar with. We're going to look at them now. Let's draw a shape with 1, 2, 3 sides that are connected. 1, 2, 3. That shape looks familiar. Let's draw another one with 3 sides. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. It looks kind of like the first one. And another shape. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 sides. These are all triangles because they have 3 sides. The prefix tri means 3. And so all of these are triangles. As long as a shape has 3 sides, it is known as a triangle. Now let's count these sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about this shape? How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks a little different than the first one. How about this one? We're going to draw a shape with 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. All of these, because they have 4 sides, are known as quadrilaterals. They have 4 sides. The prefix quad means 4. And so all of these, because they have 4 sides, are known as quadrilaterals. In another video, we will see the specific names of 4-sided shapes, specific names of quadrilaterals. Now let's count these sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 5-sided shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 sides, but it looks totally different from the first one. And now this one. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. All of these are pentagons because they have 5 sides. The prefix penta means 5. All of these are pentagons because they have 5 sides. So let's stop and review for a second. Let's see what we've done so far. We've learned that a shape with 3 sides is known as a triangle. The prefix tri means 3. And here is a potential shape of a triangle. We learned that 4-sided shapes are called quadrilaterals, the quad prefix meaning 4. And this is one quadrilateral that we can draw. A 5-sided shape is known as a pentagon. The prefix penta means 5, and here is an example of a pentagon. But wait, let's look at something first. By now you may be saying, there are diagrams that look different than the ones on the screen. Let's take a look at regular versus irregular polygons. A regular polygon is a polygon in which all sides are the same length. And so here's a pentagon. Every side is the same length. And this is how a pentagon, a regular pentagon, looks. Here is a hexagon, a regular hexagon, because all of the sides are the same length. Here is a regular heptagon, a 7-sided shape. All sides are the same length. And here is a regular octagon. All 8 sides are the same length. Now let's compare that with irregular polygons. By definition, irregular polygons are polygons in which the sides are different lengths. And so some lengths can be smaller, some lengths can be longer. As long as it has the same number of sides, we give it the name of the polygon. So for example, here is a 5-sided shape. Each side has a different length, but nonetheless, it's still a pentagon because it has 5 sides. We name polygons based on the number of sides. Here is a 6-sided shape. So this is a hexagon. Even though it doesn't look like the diagram above, it has 6 sides and therefore it is a hexagon. Here's a 7-sided shape. Again, it looks different from the one above. And that is because it is an irregular heptagon. All of the sides are different lengths. And finally, here is an octagon. And yes, it looks different from the one above because it's an irregular octagon. All of the sides are different lengths. Now let's count the sides of this polygon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks similar to the one on the previous screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You may remember this as a regular hexagon. How about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 sides and therefore it is a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon has 6 sides. The prefix hexa means 6. These are both hexagons. But what we learned just now was this is a regular hexagon and this is an irregular hexagon. They all have 6 sides and they're hexagons, but one is regular and one is irregular. Now let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides, all the same length. Now let's look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides, but it looks different than the one on the left. Nonetheless, they are both heptagons because they have 7 sides. The prefix hepta means 7. They're both heptagons, but this one is regular and this one is irregular. Let's look at one more. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks like a stop sign. Now let's look at this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And these are both octagons. They have 8 sides. The prefix octa means 8. These are both 8-sided shapes which make them octagons. The first one is a regular octagon. The second one is an irregular octagon. And you may have heard the prefix octa in the word octopus. Now let's recap what we just learned. A shape with 6 sides is known as a hexagon. Hexa, prefix, means 6. And here's a regular hexagon. A 7-sided shape is a heptagon. The prefix hepta means 7. And here is a regular heptagon. And an 8-sided shape is called an octagon. And here is a regular octagon. And now it's quiz time. Name the polygons shown below. You have 5 seconds. Time's up. The answer is a heptagon. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A 7-sided shape is known as a heptagon. This is an irregular heptagon. Question 2. Name the polygons shown below. You have 5 seconds. Time's up. The answer is Pentagon. Again, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 5-sided shape is known as a pentagon. Question 3. Name the polygon shown. Time's up. The answer is hexagon. Again, let's count the sides to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides makes this a hexagon. This is an irregular hexagon. Number 4. Name the polygon shown. Time's up. The answer is quadrilateral. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. It makes this a quadrilateral. You will learn later in another video that this is a specific quadrilateral known as a parallelogram. And number 5, name the shape below. This is an easy one. The answer is triangle. We know 1, 2, a 3-sided shape is known as a triangle. And now you've solved the mystery of naming the polygons. Well done.